What's up, beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you only 3 natural remedy that would actually shock you for good. Okay, so if you want to know what this is all about, please thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you down into this video. But of course, you should know that natural homemade remedies are actually very effective, but when you are consistent and then you give it time, I mean, you are going to, your skin is going to be on the road to, being flawless, being really beautiful. Now let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so for an anti-aging remedy and a brighter skin, you're gonna be making use of onion. Now onion is great for removing pimples on the skin. It works in rejuvenating, and it also helps to repair damaged skin. It will work in removing fine lines and wrinkles. So I've actually already prepared the onion. We're going to be making sure to, so I'm actually going to be grating the onion, but if you don't want to grate yours, you can actually blend it. Okay, so why I love to grate my own ingredients, it's because it is actually very easy for me. The grater is very reachable and I could just grab it and start grating it. Okay, alright, so you have to make sure to grate all or blend all of the medium onion. Now I'm going to be transferring this into a small bowl, and for this particular one, we're not going to be sieving this out. We're going to be using plus all of the chaff, and this is how it is. So the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is egg. Now egg is loaded with a numerous tightening remedy that helps to tighten up the skin. It works wonders in closing a large and open pores. Using egg on the skin would help you glow because it would help to remove whiteheads and blackheads, and as such your face is going to look glowing. Okay guys, so for this ingredient, we're actually going to be using all of the egg, both the white of the egg and the egg yolk. So we're just gonna be turning all of them inside, and then we'll give it a good stir. Now the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is Vaseline. Now Vaseline petroleum jelly is a great remedy that retains moisture onto your skin. Okay, now using it alongside with other ingredients would help you glow. But if you don't want to use petroleum jelly, you can actually use coconut oil. It is actually very ideal. Okay, so we're going to be taking just a little quantity. So we're going to be needing to use sugar. Now why we need sugar in this remedy, it's because sugar contains a smaller granite particles that helps so much in scrubbing out dead skin cells from the skin, and it also helps to retain freshness, and it helps to unclog pores. So for this, you can put as much sugar as you would want. Okay, so in this one I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of sugar, And because we would be applying this onto the body, you have to make much of it, okay? So this particular remedy is not for your face, it's actually for your whole body, okay? So you use this, and then you get into the bathroom, you scrub out all of those dead skin cells, and your skin become very rejuvenated. So you start from your hands, you scrub, you apply a good amount of it, and then you scrub, okay? Now the good part of this is because is when you're done scrubbing, your skin is gonna still look really moisturized and shiny because of the petroleum jelly, okay? So you go down to your leg, you scrub your neck, your feet, you scrub all of your body with this remedy, okay? The sugar particles in it is going to help you in scrubbing, so you scrub really well. So when you're scrubbing, guys, you have to make sure that you scrub this in a circular motion. Now the reason is because so that if you're having any clogged pores, or if your skin is actually not looking healthy, okay, all of your pores will be unclogged. And you know, the thing is that when your pores is unclogged, fresh air is going to get inside into it, and it's going to be looking really healthy. And then when you're done scrubbing, then you go rinse this all off, and then you use a toilet soap to apply, and then your skin will be glowing. All right, guys, so the thing is that when you want to use this, you can actually use this once in a week, okay, to scrub out all your body apart from your face, okay? Scrub it all out, stay for like 2 minutes, and then you pour water, and you're gonna be noticing that your skin is gonna be sparkling, okay? Because I get so many questions, people asking me, your skin is looking lovely. I scrub my skin once in a week, like my whole body. So you use this and scrub your whole body once in a week, and you are good to go. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's actually very simple and very quick, and it's the ingredients are actually not much. You can actually mix this all up, apply it on your skin. It whoop out all of those problems on your skin and your face and your body, because you can actually apply it on your body too. It's gonna be looking really sumptuous and beautiful. So if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, guys.